Okay, and then you there the picture.
Ready? Yes. Right, we're on the way to Alex's 21st. We're heading down Sarsfields Road towards the Sarsfields Road roundabout. You okay with the camera? Yes. And the tractor's going perfectly, Alex. This is a hard roundabout to negotiate, but the traffic works. We'll manage, won't we? Traffic is still a little bit busy, isn't it? Yeah. It was really bad earlier on.
There's 50 minutes on this, but we mustn't use that ball of it because Mummy wants to film it.
You can stop it now again for a while, so okay? Maybe when we're going on the roundabout, we're going again. And then when we get out of the roundabout, we can leave it then until we're going in the South Link towards the Elysian. Alex is back videoing again, and we've just got the green light on the Kinsale Road roundabout. So we should have a good run in now. We can let the 110 flat out in the South Link. Would you like me to open the hatch? That's not too cold, is it? No, it's not. Now we've the full sound of it. Still a lot of traffic coming out from the city, as you can see, look. Okay then. So let's turn it off for now, and we can turn it on again coming in towards the Elysian. And when we come in towards the Elysian, we'll photograph the whole way up, you know. Right, Alex, we're now coming towards the end of the South Link. You can see the spire on top of the Elysian. And we're going to take it right here and over the two bridges. Are you comfy? Okay then. Tractor's done very well going in, isn't it? Yes.
You have the right. I mean, turn right, yeah.
Yes, and I have the right indicator on it. Okay then, we've got the green light. Coming around the Elysian, Alexander. A little bit bumpy here. Hungry? A little bit? Now we've got a green again, so we can go. No, maybe the next one will. Get in there now. It's the joke.
Where is it? No,
I don't know.
what? What did you say?
Turn off the lights, I think.
No, what?
Just wanted to make sure that's what I think. Okay. I've opened the sunroof so you get the sound of it going up Summer Hill, okay? This is the end of McCartan Street. And I'm ring Kaiser we're going up Summer Hill now, okay?
But then you'll be talking and then that will just start another subject.
That'll be okay. She wants to.
Okay.
Yes, I am. Just to tell her she wants to call the photograph. Oh, sound brilliant. Hold it up by the sunroof for the sound just for a second. Photograph of the eye. Nearly there, Alex. Give a welly now. Right, just full blast now. Can we park up here? Where's the nearest park? Will we take that one? We take this one, will we?